Making the most of your 3-hour layover.
Hello everyone. Today we're discussing a common traveler's query. How much time do I have to explore the city during my 3-hour layover? If you're someone who loves to make the most out of every situation, this guide is for you. Let's dive in and discover how you can transform a layover into a mini adventure.
Considering airport proximity.
The first thing to consider is how far the airport is from the city center. If the airport is closer to the city, you'll have more time to explore. In general, you'd want the airport to city travel time to be under 30 minutes for a 3-hour layover. Anything more, and you're cutting it too close.
Account for security and boarding time.
Airports require passengers to be at the gate before the flight's departure time. This is usually 30 to 45 minutes for domestic flights and up to 60 minutes for international flights. Adding time for security checks and any unpredicted delays, you should plan to be back at the airport at least 1.5 hours before your flight. This leaves you with roughly 1.5 hours of exploration time in a best-case scenario.
Travel and transit time.
When considering your actual exploration time, don't forget about the time it takes to travel between the airport and the city. If it takes 30 minutes to reach the city from the airport, that's an hour round trip. So, in this case, you're left with about 30 minutes to explore.
Making the best of your time.
If you only have 30 minutes, it might be best to explore areas close to the airport or simply relax at a local cafe. If you're lucky and the city center is very close to the airport, you might be able to see some landmarks, grab a local meal, or even do a quick tour. However, be sure to keep an eye on the time and prioritize getting back to the airport. While a 3-hour layover does limit your options, it doesn't mean you can't get a small taste of the city you're in. Just remember to plan carefully, be aware of the time, and prioritize your return to the airport. Every minute counts, so make the most of it. Safe travels!